Hello my beauties, thank you so much for joining me. I'm Julia from Juren Beauty and I'm so excited to be able to present you our Juren facials in a box. So to start off with, I'm going to start with my cleanser. So you're going to have your little cleanser that works for your skin type. When you're cleansing your skin, you always want to cleanse up your neck, you always want those upward motions. I like to add a little bit of water and lather my cleanser up. So I'm just going to come in here. I'm going to go right up into my hairline. I'm going to come down here. Now ladies, if you're wearing makeup, I would highly recommend doing a double cleanse. Your first cleanse is to remove the makeup and the second cleanse is to actually clean your skin. So I'm going to come in here with my beautiful cotton pad. Now I always recommend to my clients to pat their skin dry before they do their exfoliation with their AHA facial exfoliant. The reason we do this, ladies, is because we don't want to water down the concentration of the AHA facial exfoliant. So I'm just going to break that product in my hand. And I like to leave this on for around a minute or two so that the AHAs in there can work their magic. So the alpha hydroxy acids, which are fruit acids, what they're going to do is they're going to break down the intercellular glue between our dead skin cells, and then the little bamboo granules in there help to remove those dead skin cells, revealing the beautiful fresh young skin underneath. So I like to pop it on like this. When I'm at home, I normally will brush my teeth or do something like that in between time, and then I will come back and do little circular motions and remove it. Now, ideally, if you're using your AHA facial exfoliant in that way, where you're leaving it for a minute or two, and if you're applying it to dry skin, you will only need to use it once a week. But if you are using it in the shower and you're diluting it down with water, it's best to exfoliate twice a week then, because it won't be quite as effective when you water it down. Now, I'm going to come back in here with my beautiful cotton pad. Coming right underneath there with my eyes, in my creases. I'm not sure if you can see there, but I've got that, all the little granules from the exfoliant there have come off. My next step is that I'm going to use my toner. So if you've got the little sample container, I always like to use my cotton pads, and so that you're not wasting product, I like to dampen them first and then wring them out. And then you're going to take your little sample product and you're going to pop it on top like that, turn it upside down, and you're going to do that for each pad. Now the idea of toning is making sure that we're bringing back the pH balance of our skin to the right level. You're also going to remove any excess product coming up the neck there. Now ladies, it's time for us to do our masks. Just before we do our masks, if you received one of the Antioxidant Hydrating Mists in the Deluxe facial box, it's perfect for you to do a little misting over your face of this before you pop your mask on, because this has hyaluronic acid in it and it's going to help with the absorption of your mask. So I'm just going to give that a little spritz. Now, in each of our kits, in each of our facial boxes, we've got the beautiful silk masks. Now, the green one is designed more for oilier skin types and acneic skin types, so that's really going to help to purify and cleanse and give your skin that beautiful glow. And then these three are more in the hydration and anti-aging range. If you got the VIP box, you will have had in there our little collagen gold L'Envitalite masks as well. So I'm just going to demonstrate quickly how you pop these on. When it comes to the actual eye mask themselves. There's two different ways you can put these on depending on what you want to combat. If you have bagginess under the eyes, really tired looking eyes, dark circles, or any sagging there, what you're going to do is you're going to apply the little Collagen Eye Mask with the larger part underneath your eye there. Now, if you're trying to combat crow's feet or anything like that, what we're going to do is we're going to hold the mask the other way, and we're going to have the larger side out to the side where those crow's feet would be. As for the little lip mask, this is great for targeting those finer lines around the lip area. This isn't quite as easy to talk and do things at the same time. So I'm just going to show you how to put it on, and then I'm going to take it off. You are very welcome to use these on their own as a little pick-me-up if you've got a special occasion, or if you want the Deluxe sort of treatment, you can pop your silk facial mask over the top of these. There we go, beautiful. So I'm going to be using today the Moisturizing and Soothing Silk Facial Mask. That's this one here. When you open this up and when you pull your mask out of the packet, you will notice that it has a backing either side. So there's a blue and a white backing. So I'm going to open this up. This is designed for easy application. I always like to pull one side off, and then I open the other side up, and I'm going to hold it like this. I'm going to apply it onto my face. As you can see, there's eye, nose and lip holes, so on it goes. Now just smoothing that out. Beautiful. So it feels a little bit like it's a second skin. Now, for those of you who are lucky enough to have a rose quartz facial roller, it's ideal to roll your mask in. So just take a minute or so and gently rolling up and back. You can come under the eyes with the smaller section here. I like to go up my neck. And then ladies, it's all about you having your little bit of zen time. So you can pop on your little eye pillow, relax back, pop a couple of drops on the top side of the meditation blend that came in your little box, and have that well-deserved you time. Now ladies, when it comes to taking your mask off, it's really easy. You're just going to peel that off and remove it like that. I'm going to get you to massage any excess mask that's there in. We're going to do our last step, which is our moisturizer. And if you're so lucky to have got a little eye serum in your box, we're going to apply that now as well. So I'm going to use my little eye serum, and I'm just going to pop that where the bone is on both my brow and there. I'm going to bring any excess around my lip area to combat those fine lines. And now I am using our CoQ10 oil. So I'm popping that on, always making sure you're going in that upward motion. Beautiful. And there you have it, voila. You have your facial at home, you have your beautiful facial in a box. And now we're all glowing. I hope you love your facial in a box. I hope you love the masks and you get that really, really important you time that you so deserve. Ladies, if you would like any more information, please don't hesitate to reach out to us or visit our website where you can purchase any of the products that I've used today, www.jurenbeauty.com.au. Sending you health and happiness. Mwah.